Hey guys, this is Midway Matt, and today we're looking at a 2025 Forest River No Boundaries 19.2. This thing is awesome. It is built for off-roading. So if you got a Toyota Tundra, Tacoma, 4Runner, and you guys love getting in the back country, this is what you need. It has the beast mode Kurt suspension, so independent axles. It has heated tanks with an underbelly that is wrapped with the radiant foil. It has two 200-watt solar panels with a 2,000-watt inverter. Well, this thing is built for off-roading and going back in the boonies. So let's take a look inside.